रेमोय आम आदमी पार्टीत गेला। आम आदमी पार्टी म्हणल्यार भ्रष्टाचार जातीवादा आड चळवळ अशें हो पॉप सिंगर म्हणटा। आपल्याक राजकारण येना, वेंचणूक कितें ती खबर ना, गरज असल्यार वेंचणूक लढयतलो अशें रेमोन प्रुडंटाक उलोवन दाखयलें। काँग्रेस आनी भाजपाक आप पर्याय न्ही, तो उपाय। भाजपा उपाय कसो दिशिल्लो, पूण कांयच फरक ना, हें रेमोचें मत।
AAP is something else. I don't feel as if I've joined a political party. I feel as if I've joined a freedom movement. You know, it's like a freedom from corruption, from communalism.
Sir, you are going to contest the election?
I've just joined the party as a common member and worker. Elections are a long time away, and they told me that if necessary, we might require you to contest elections. And when that time comes, I will seriously consider it. If that is the way that I can serve Goa the best, then I will surely consider it. I frankly don't even know about all these different elections which take place. Now I will have to instruct myself about them. I think that AAP is not an option. You know, I think that the Congress and the BJP are options. They're alternatives. 1 year this one, 1 year that one, and the results are the same. I think I see AAP more as a solution, not as an option. The politicians today are answerable only to the party leadership. No one is answerable to the people. 66 years later, no one is answerable to the people. And that is what AAP is trying to change. That the answerability will be to the people and not to the government.
Earlier there was a coalition between NCP Congress in Goa. Now it's MGP and BJP. Do you find any difference between these two political parties, between these two governments, or both are the same?
I don't see any change. I don't see any change out in the street. I don't see any change in the corruption levels. Frankly speaking, honestly speaking, I myself thought that BJP was a solution. And why did I think so? Going by their previous record, when they were in power the last time, I saw the change as soon as they came into power. And I expected the same change this time, but this time I'm very, very disappointed.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट देवेंद्र गावकार।
सत्तरीतले जुगाराचे प्रकरण मानवी हक्क आयोगामेरेन पावतले। गोयचे काले आनी जात्रांनी चलपी जुगार बंद करपा खातीर मानवी हक्क आयोगाकडे वचपाचे गोवा पीपल्स फोरमान थारायला। पुलिशेंत कागाळ करूनय पुलीस कांयच करिनात म्हण आतां आयोगाकडे वतले अशें फोरमाचे निमंत्रक सतीश सोनकान सांगले। खोपींनी चलपी जुगारूय बंद करपाची मागणी फोरमान केल्या।
जत्रांनी चलपी जुगार बंद करपाक पुलीस कांयच करिनात म्हण गोवा पीपल्स फोरमान आतां मानवी हक्क आयोगाकडे कागाळ करपाचे थारायला।
गोवा पीपल्स फोरम वी आर अपोज्ड टू दिस jatra jugars, casinos, matkas, all kind of gambling. Goa People's Forum has decided to take up the issue with the Human Rights Forum, pointing out that it is because of gambling many marriages are destroyed and that is a ground for divorce. So therefore, all this kind of gamblings, there should be check on it, they should be stopped. We will be taking up the issue with the Human Rights Forum.
खोपींनी चलपी जुगार वर्सभर चालू असता। या जुगारात व्हडा प्रमाणात फटीच्यो नोटी वापर जातात अशें सामाजिक वावुरपी कमलेश बांदेकाराचे म्हणणे आसा।
आणि त्या संपूर्ण बॉर्डर लाईनी मरेन खंयच जुगार जायना सिंधुदुर्ग एरिया, नाल्यार मोठ्या प्रमाणात सिंधुदुर्गान जुगार जातालो। आणि आता कितें जावपाक लागले, ते सिंधुदुर्ग वाले जे आसात पळय तेंच्यांनी गोवा बॉर्डरीक गोवा सायडीनसून बरीचश्यो खोपी घातलेले आसात आणि 365 दीस अशे लाखांनी करोडांनी जे आसात ते डेलीचे टर्नओव्हर जाता ब्लॅक मनी।
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओंकार फळारी।
इतल्यान ही खबरां चित्र हांगाच सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।